This high-quality coupe is fully equipped and upgraded. On May 15th, the Dongfeng Fengshen Yixuan 2025 was officially launched with exchange price starting at 57,900 yuan. The Dongfeng Fengshen Yixuan has a comprehensive configuration upgrade and a leap in quality. While keeping up with the times and user needs, it still adheres to the ultimate driving control, providing a wonderful travel experience with driving pleasure and excitement, and firmly sits on the national coupe throne. When you purchase the Dongfeng Fengshen Yixuan 2025, even if it is an entry-level model, you will have the largest 13-inch central control smart screen in its class, Bluetooth key and remote control functions as standard for the entire series, automatic air conditioning and rear air outlets as standard for the entire series, and more ergonomic integrated leather sports seats as standard for the entire series. This engraves the entry-level pleasure of the highest configuration in the genes of the national-level sports coupe. As a sports coupe, Yixuan has a leap-forward performance in terms of body size and wheelbase. Compared with its competitors, it can provide more storage space and make driving more comfortable. In terms of driving functions, the new Yixuan is equipped with a multi-function steering wheel with a game controller as standard, and the control is as exciting as the game. Functions that are only found in high-end models of other brands, such as rear-view radar and rear-view images, are also standard on all Yixuan. No matter which level you buy, the driver's vehicle safety can be guaranteed to the highest extent. With the advanced 540-degree panoramic viewing function, you can also have a God's perspective to view the visual blind spots around the vehicle body and chassis from all directions, and completely say goodbye to driving blind spots. The intelligent configuration of Dongfeng Fengshen Yixuan 2025 also adapts to the times and is constantly updated. The new car is equipped with an intelligent vehicle network system as standard, and the large-screen voice interaction, navigation and entertainment integrate full-size intelligent ecology. Even if it competes with the same level of new energy and new powers, Yixuan is still not weak as a fuel vehicle. In addition, the unique sports coupe aesthetics have been further improved in the new model. The new car has been added to the optional nuclear gray car color, and the whole series is equipped with LED automatic headlights as standard, making the appearance more striking. At the same time, the new car adds a brown suede textured interior, and you can intuitively feel the improvement in quality and taste when you get into the car. Dongfeng Fengshen Yixuan rejects the spirit of mediocrity and is not just an ordinary family car that can be used for transportation. As a powerful CTCC champion car, Yixuan not only offers you rich configurations, but also a coupe with a champion spirit in its bones. A tough car that can really unleash the passion for driving control. Yixuan's coupe-style fastback sports shape adopts a track-level streamlined body. Not only does it have smooth lines, but it also effectively reduces wind resistance, helping to fight on the track. The integrated sports front face shows tension, and the 17-inch sports wheels and double-layer wide-body rear wing also perfectly balance power and elegance. Considering the extremely important power performance of the driving control, Dongfeng Fengshen Yixuan 2025 is equipped with the most powerful champion Mach power in its class, helping the Yixuan racing car win 4 consecutive championships in China's top racing sports CTCC and CEC events. The power is instantaneous, making it easy to start and overtake, and bringing a smooth pushback feeling. Its chassis has been honed on the difficult track of the CTCC China Automobile Circuit Professional League. Under the technical adjustments of the professional masters of the CTCC champion team, Yixuan has an unparalleled high-level control experience in its class. Not all cups can go on the track, but Yixuan is the national cup with track genes and extreme performance. In addition to track performance, there is also the only 10-year unlimited mileage warranty for users in its class. This is Dongfeng Fengshen's consistent confidence in Yixuan quality and unwavering commitment to users.